So our pre-trip check, we want to make sure that, first of all, we got enough fuel. We're not getting to the job site and run out of fuel. That's a killer. So we want to make sure that our fuel tank is full. We want to make sure that our water tank is full. We want to make sure we have the water there to give us the needs if we are running the sprinkler system or if we need to do a little site cleanup, that we've got water in the system. On the other side is our hydraulic tank. We want to be able to just check our hydraulic level. It needs to be in the middle of the top sight gauge. So I'm looking at that. That looks pretty good. So that's the first things you want to look at. You want to check your engine oil, just like you do on any of your commercial vehicles. You want to check and make sure that our engine oil level is good and full. And then with anything else, look for stuff that might have come loose, was just maybe should have been repaired at the end of when the machine was shut down and we just missed it. Just walk around and check your hoses. Make sure everything looks good. I don't see any oil leaks. My connections are nice and tight on my battery. Everything looks good. I don't see something that's come loose. So you just want to do your visual inspection. And that's regardless of the machine that you're on. That's a good practice. Always walk through and just give it a good once over. The last thing you want to do is break down in the middle of your job site. That's miserable. So I'm looking down here. Everything looks good. My valve is closed, so I'm not going to be dumping material on the ground. I want to be able to spray. Everything's secure. My either air vent or extension valves are closed. Pressure sensor is tight. This is closed. My tires look good. My squeegee rubber doesn't have any cuts or tears in it. This is a brand new rubber, so I got a little stuff like this, but I don't want that in there. That can drag the material and leave lines in the material. I don't want that in there. Just make sure that's good. So what I see here, this looks pretty good. The next step is I want to just double check before we put material in it. I'll double check that my filters are clean. Just all of those things. Little effort on the front side saves you a lot of grief in the back side.